The police say all 4 boys seen on social media handling a firearm are now in custody. The 4th person turned himself into the police earlier today. Kirk Wright has that story.
This video showing the 4 boys passing a firearm to one another surfaced on social media only recently because the police say they learned it was made sometime late last year. We have blurred their images because all are minors except for one who is 20 years old. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, who heads the Police Communications Unit CCU, confirmed that all 4 boys are in their custody. She says 2 of the boys in the video were already in lockup before the video surfaced.
At least 2 of them are before the court because of incident involving themselves and their parents. Malicious destruction of property, among other things. So in 2 instances, the parent had initiated the action against them because of offenses that were committed.
After the video was made public, the police say a parent turned in one of the teens and that earlier today, the 4th person turned in himself. SSP Lindsay says a warrant was issued for one because he had absconded bail. SSP Lindsay says it's not the first time the boys are getting in trouble with the law and that all 4 are well known to the police.
The police have been working with the parent and working with some of these youngsters. As a matter of fact, the detective of a crime officer in charge of Kingston Eastern, he actually had several conversations with one of the young men trying to get him to improve in behavior and otherwise. So the work continues.
SSP Lindsay says incidents like these are becoming popular.
It's part of the reality that we're really grappling with. We are seeing more and more where younger boys are involved in these kind of activities. So we have to really try to see how best we treat with these instances.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
The police say they are investigating the circumstances surrounding an incident involving a policeman and a taxi operator, which resulted in the policeman being injured. The taxi operator was arrested. The incident took place sometime yesterday along Eastwood Park Road in Kingston in the vicinity of the Halfway Tree Primary School. The video shows what appears to be a policeman trying to apprehend a taxi operator. The policeman's gun and cell phone fell from him. Both items were later secured. Now, head of the Police Communications Unit, CCU, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the police have little information on the incident.
At the time when we inquire, as I speak, the police officer involved is currently getting medical care because he was injured during the process. So we are awaiting an update to be in a position to give a good overview of what transpired, because we saw different videos from different angles.